In this video, I'm going to cure and smoke this Bobcat ham. I got this recipe from Petersens Hunting. I'll post a link to the recipe in the description. The recipe calls for brining the ham for 4 days, then letting it sit overnight, and then smoking it for 4 hours. And this happens to be Bob here's ham. I also got a few pots of chili out of him. And here's his skull. The ham is now in the brine, and I'm going to leave it this way in the refrigerator for about 4 days. This ham has been cured now. It was in that brine for about 4 days, and I made a point to turn it at least once every day during that time. So now I've taken it out of the brine and I've patted it dry and set it on this pan, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator overnight, and then I'm going to smoke it tomorrow. It's the next day and the meat is now on the smoker, and I'm going to apply the glaze once it gets put on the smoker. And I'm going to reapply the glaze every 30 minutes. And you're supposed to smoke this meat at 225 degrees for 4 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. So here is the cured and smoked ham after it's been about 4 hours in the smoker. After just under 4 hours, it was holding about 155 or so for the internal temperature, and that was at approximately 225 for 4 hours. So I had to crank the heat up a little bit at the end for about a half hour or so in order to get it up to the 165 degree Fahrenheit internal temperature. Slice the meat into thin, small pieces and serve with crackers and cheese. So that's how you cure and smoke Bobcat. Give it a try. It's not bad.